put in the master, and it's not an easy paint job.
We are in Herndon, Virginia in Fairfax County, where we're working on a 6,000 square feet single-family home that has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, built in 2000. Before moving in, the new owners really wanted to update the look of their new home's interior. Although the task of renovating a home this size can certainly be difficult, I was more than willing to take this challenge. One of the things to consider when working on a house this size is making sure whatever you decide to change doesn't overwhelm the overall look and feel of the house. Whether it's the new color of the walls or the carpet or the custom stain used for the hardwood floors, you don't want anything to be too overpowering. That's why during the renovation process, I work with my clients day by day, helping them choose the right colors for each area of their home. The first thing we wanted to do was change the color of the stain used on the hardwood floors throughout the main floors. If you find your hardwood floors to be in great shape like these, restaining them rather than replacing them can give the whole space a new look while saving you lots of money.
For the original floors, they're in pretty good condition, so we're just gonna actually just sand it down and stain it to another color.
Lighting is so important. It can make or break a home. Not only do you need lighting for its functional aspect, but when you have a mixture of different lighting, you really enhance the look and feel of the home. We really wanted to achieve both goals when we upgraded the various light fixtures, from the LED recessed lights, ceiling fans, and to the more modern chandeliers in the dining room and the foyer.
This is an RH Restoration hardware light fixture. It's gonna go in the family room. It's gonna be amazing.
We decided to remove the old carpeting in the basement and install brand new 7-inch vinyl planks, LVP. This type of flooring is great as it's quite durable, but it also adds a very modern look. The kitchen was by far the biggest undertaking of the entire renovation. Again, instead of replacing the cabinetry, which is in great shape actually, we decided to paint them to give a kitchen a new, fresh look. Painting your outdated kitchen cabinets may seem easy, but it actually requires lots of intricate work. There's lots of sanding and staining involved, and we spray it, so it really turns out like factory finished cabinets. Along with the new cabinet color, we swapped out the old hardware with new satin bronze handles and knobs. We removed the old granite and installed new quartz countertops with the matching backsplash. Runners are great for design to your home and adding warmth. It gives padding and cushion to your feet too.
So as you can see, this is the master bedroom. Everything is baby blue, including this trim. We're thinking of doing an accent wall over here, and then the rest of the walls will be either white or light gray.
We didn't leave any stone unturned with this renovation, and with the house this size comes many challenges. But as long as we listen to the homeowner's wants and needs, we can transform any house into a warming and inviting place that they can call home.